You want that deep, smoky flavor that only a Kamado grill can deliver, but picking the right one feels like trying to crack a secret code. Well, stop stressing because I have done the heavy lifting for you. Today, I am ranking the top 6 Kamado grills on the market right now, counting down from number 6 to the absolute best. We are going to look at heat retention, build quality, and pure cooking power. Let's get right into it. 6. Char Griller Akorn Kamado. Right off the bat, I have to be completely honest with you. When I first got my hands on this cooker, I was a little skeptical. It is significantly cheaper than almost everything else on this list, and there is a very specific, undeniable reason for that price tag. Instead of traditional heavy ceramic, the Akorn is built entirely from triple-walled steel. Well, that definitely makes it much lighter and undeniably easier to move around your patio without pulling a back muscle. You know, you can actually wheel this thing across bumpy grass or a wooden deck without feeling like it is going to randomly tip over and shatter into 100 pieces. But here's what matters when you actually start cooking. Because it is steel, it just does not hold heat quite the same way a thick ceramic shell does. I mean, yes, it gets hot, and you can absolutely sear a thick ribeye steak on it without a problem. But when you're trying to do a really long, low and slow brisket smoke, you're going to find yourself fighting the temperature vents a lot more than you really should be. The factory seals are another sticking point for me. I noticed that after just a few months of heavy use, the ash can at the bottom started letting in a bit of stray air. In the Kamado world, stray air is your absolute worst enemy because it spikes your temperatures unexpectedly when you aren't looking. Everdure K1 Kamado Smoker Grill. Let me explain something right away. This is quite possibly the most beautiful, striking grill on the entire list. I mean, just looking at it sitting there, it has this incredibly sleek, modern, almost space-age aesthetic that makes traditional bumpy Kamados look completely ancient. It comes packed with some genuinely cool modern ideas, too. The built-in storage cabinet at the base is pretty sweet for keeping your charcoal dry, and the auto-locking hood feels really premium when you pull it down. You get this distinct sense that you are using a high-end, luxury appliance rather than just a messy backyard charcoal pit. But, well, here's where things get a bit frustrating for me as a cook. The actual grilling performance just does not quite match that massive, premium price tag. I found that the airflow control, which is the absolute heart and soul of any good Kamado, feels a bit overly complicated and fussy. It is honestly quite tricky to dial in that perfect 225 degrees for smoking without constantly overshooting the mark. Also, the grilling grates are a little odd in my experience. They use this glass enamel coating which looks absolutely stunning out of the box, but it is a total nightmare to keep perfectly clean after a greasy cook. And if you chip that coating by accidentally dropping a heavy cast iron pan or a metal spatula on there, it's basically ruined forever. 4. Grilla Grill's Kong Ceramic Kamado Grill. Now we are getting into the real, heavy-duty, uncompromising ceramic territory. The Kong is massive, and I mean that literally. It is a heavy, imposing beast of a cooker that instantly demands respect the second you roll it out of the delivery box. What I really love about the Kong is the sheer, undeniable value you get for your money. Grilla Grills operates on a direct-to-consumer model, so you aren't paying that heavy, inflated retail store markup. You are getting a massive 24-inch cooking surface, which is honestly enough room to cook a whole packer brisket, 2 pork butts, and a rack of ribs, basically all at the exact same time. The ceramic walls on this thing are seriously thick and incredibly dense. I tested this grill in the dead of winter with freezing rain and snow literally falling on the lid, and the internal temperature gauge did not even flinch a single degree. It holds heat like an absolute vault. You light your charcoal, set your vents, and you can practically walk away for 12 straight hours. The heavy-duty stand and the bamboo side shelves also feel incredibly solid and well thought out. You know, sometimes you buy a premium grill and the metal cart feels like a cheap afterthought. Not here. The oversized wheels lock firmly into place, and the whole rig feels incredibly stable even when you are aggressively scrubbing the grates with a heavy wire brush. 3. Kamado Joe Classic 3 Large. If you have spent any time looking out outdoor grills online, you already know the bright, iconic red Kamado Joe. Well, they earned that stellar reputation for a very good reason. This grill is basically the gold standard for sheer creativity and engineering in the ceramic grill space. Here is what matters most with the Classic 3. It features the slow roller hyperbolic smoke chamber. It sounds like a crazy marketing term, I know, but let me explain. It actually changes the internal air pressure inside the grill to roll the smoke over your food in a continuous swirling wave, rather than just venting straight up and out the top chimney. The depth of flavor difference on a pork shoulder is genuinely noticeable. Then there's the divide and conquer flexible cooking system, which is pure genius. I am completely obsessed with this feature. Instead of one flat, restrictive grate, you get half-moon grates that you can easily set at totally different heights. You can heavily sear a steak right down by the blazing hot coals on one side, while gently roasting delicate asparagus higher up in the cooler zone on the other. It's total, uncompromising cooking freedom. Oh, and we absolutely have to talk about the airlift hinge. Ceramic lids are insanely heavy and dangerous if they slam shut. Usually, lifting one feels like an aggressive upper body workout. But Kamado Joe put an incredibly smart, counterbalanced hinge on this thing that reduces the dome weight by like 90%. Pit Boss Kamado Ceramic Grill. Pit Boss is usually known primarily for their pellet grills, but they absolutely knocked it out of the park with this traditional charcoal Kamado. It is the perfect harmonious blend of raw performance, generous size, and sheer, undeniable dependability. The 22-inch size is really the ultimate sweet spot for most standard backyards. It gives you a massive two-tiered stainless steel cooking surface, allowing you to comfortably cook for a huge neighborhood crowd without ever feeling cramped for space. I threw an entire 20-pound Thanksgiving turkey on here and still had plenty of comfortable room around the edges for some cast iron side dishes. The heat retention is genuinely spectacular, rivaling grills that cost twice as much. I am talking about lighting a single, modest basket of lump charcoal and having it burn steady at a perfect 250 degrees for well over 15 hours. The thick, dimpled ceramic walls do exactly what they're supposed to do, locking in serious moisture so your pulled pork comes out incredibly juicy and tender every single time. I also really appreciate the specific hardware choices they made here. The heavy-duty, shock-absorbing plunger on the lid makes closing it super soft and controlled, so you never have to worry about accidentally slamming it down and cracking the expensive ceramic shell. The cast iron top damper is incredibly smooth and responsive, letting you make those tiny millimeter adjustments to dial in your heat perfectly.
Weber Summit Kamado E6. I know exactly what you are thinking right now. Wait, a Weber? It does not even look like a traditional Kamado. Well, you are completely right, but let me explain why this specific grill completely changes the game for good. Remember earlier in the video when I said the best Kamado actually ditches the one thing everyone thinks it desperately needs? I meant the heavy ceramic. The Summit Kamado is constructed from dual-walled, highly insulated steel. It gives you the insane, rock-solid heat retention of thick ceramic, but without the massive, back-breaking weight, and more importantly, without the terrifying risk of cracking. If you accidentally drop a heavy tool on this, or the wind tips it over, it just bounces and keeps on cooking. Because it is made of steel, it is incredibly, instantly responsive to temperature changes. A huge, frustrating problem with traditional ceramic is that if you accidentally get it too hot, it takes literally hours to cool back down to smoking temps. Not the Weber. If you overshoot your target temp, you just choke the vents and the temperature drops rapidly. I mean, the absolute control you have over the fire here is just totally unmatched by anything else. The rapid-fire lid damper design is honestly brilliant. You can pop it completely wide open on a hinge to create a massive wind tunnel effect, getting your lump coals roaring hot for a quick steak sear in a matter of minutes. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.